Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Rita, and today I'd like to teach you how to find the standard deviation of a data set on your graphing calculator. The first thing you do is you hit the Stat button, and that will bring you to our Stat menu. And we are going to edit so that we can enter data into our list. If you already have data in your list and you want to delete it, you arrow up into the list, you press clear, and you arrow back down into the list. I'm going to enter 10 pieces of data, just arbitrary numbers. I'm making them up. And make sure that you press enter in between each number. And 10. Okay. Once you've entered all of your data, the next thing you do is you want to calculate the standard deviation. So we go back to the Stat button and we arrow over to Calc. And we choose number 1, our one variable statistics. You can either press the number 1 or press enter. Now, depending on your calculator, you may have more on your menu. So you just want to continue pressing enter until you have a screen that looks like this. So the first piece of information you're given is X bar, which is your mean or your average. So the average of our data was 6.9. The second number here, 69, represents if we sum all of our data together. So if we added together all 10 of those numbers, we would get 69. The third number here is the sum of our data squared. So that's 509. And there it is, the standard deviation. SX is approximately 1.91. That represents our standard deviation. So if we just do a little rounding here and we say our standard deviation is approximately 2 and our mean is approximately 7, we could say that typically our data is between 5, which is 2 less than 7, and 9, which is 2 greater than 7. So we can add the standard deviation to the mean and subtract the standard deviation from the mean. And that will give us the range of values where the data is typically where most of the data is. So standard deviation is our typical distance away from the mean. And it is found here in the one variable statistics, and it is SX. All right, thanks for watching.